Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can apply a green screen overlay on top of your videos in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this video here and I'm just going to add this green screen subscribe overlay on top. To remove the green screen, you're going to select the green screen. I'm just going to place my line here. And I'm going to go to cutout and I'm going to select chroma key, select the color picker and select the green area of the background here. And here you're going to adjust the strength, of course. Then you can add in some shadow as well to complete the look. And that's pretty much it. You are going to have to adjust it based on your green screen as well, like the strength and shadows. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.